Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, consider to watch this video and see how to fix Windows Update attention needed each time you have it on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to come down below right here, right click on your start menu, then click on settings right here. Then it's going to take you right here. In some cases, you might not see the attention needed from the home tab right here. You can simply scroll down right here and then come down below right here where you have Windows Update right here. You can simply click on it, or better still, click on Windows Update attention needed right here. And then this is going to pump up right here. Update available to download. All you have to do here is to make sure you click on download and install all update. So go ahead and check on all update details right here as far as Windows PC is concerned. So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on download and install all. So you can see the update is going on in the background right here, just like so. All you have to do is to allow all the updates to run completely. After the update is run completely, you can restart your PC. The security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender is already 100%, while the rest are still going on in the background right here. It's that simple. After successfully complete the update, restart your PC and your PC will become fully up to date. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.